done. So I'm heading over to my parents this morning. It's early. It's 8:30 on a Sunday morning. Dad and I are going to put the airbags in the truck, and I'm going to start building in the back. So I could do this stuff here at my place, but I don't have a garage here, and Dad's got all the tools all ready to go. So that's what I'm doing. We already have a snag. We haven't even really started yet. The bumper has to come out, and according to the instructions it should be bolted, but it's welded, so we need to cut it off. Of course, nothing is ever easy. It's supposed to be a hole in the frame according to the instructions. There is no hole in the frame, so Dad's in there. It was welded on, the bumper bracket. Dad's in there grinding it all out, and I'm going to drill a hole in while he's grinding out the other side. And away we go. Just time. Just takes extra time. But we'll get it. There we go. One bag is in. Just need to hook the airline up to it. Away we go. All right, bags are in, air's in, no leaks. Truck is sitting back where it should be. Springs are arched like they should be, and the back end is a wee bit higher than the front, like it used to be. All good.